Spendee Financial Tool Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Spendee are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into the review. Spendee is a budgeting and expense tracking app designed for individuals, families, and even small groups who want better control over their finances. It offers automatic bank synchronization, manual expense tracking, and customizable budget categories, making it a flexible tool for different financial needs. One of Spendee's standout features is its shared wallets, which allow users to manage finances with partners, family members, or roommates. The app also supports multi-currency tracking, making it a solid choice for international users or frequent travelers. Spendee is best suited for those who want a visually appealing, easy-to-use budgeting app with both automatic and manual tracking options. It's ideal for people who want to track daily expenses, create budgets, and analyze their spending patterns without being overwhelmed by complex financial tools. The app also works well for couples or families who need a way to manage shared expenses while keeping personal finances separate. With a free plan available and premium features like automatic bank syncing and advanced analytics in the paid version, Spendee offers options for different types of users. Now, let's go over the strengths. Spendee's user-friendly design and colorful visuals make it easy to track spending and understand financial trends at a glance. The shared wallets feature is a major advantage for those who split expenses with others, making it perfect for couples, families, or roommates. Multi-currency support is another great feature, helping international users manage finances across different countries. Additionally, the ability to manually track cash expenses alongside bank transactions ensures a complete financial picture. However, there are some downsides. The free version is quite limited, and most of the useful features, including automatic bank syncing, require a premium subscription. Some users have reported occasional syncing issues with bank connections, which can disrupt automated tracking. Additionally, while Spendee offers great budgeting tools, it lacks investment tracking and more advanced financial planning features found in some competitor apps. Final verdict: if you're looking for an intuitive, visually appealing budgeting app with strong shared expense tracking, Spendee is a great choice. However, if you need investment tools or a fully free experience, you might need to explore other options. Check the links in the description for more details.